Good morning. Today we are going to see codes. First, let us define what will be a code. Code is a symbolic representation of some discrete information. Okay, it is a symbolic representation of some information or data. Okay, whatever you can call. It uses numbers, alphabets, and some special characters also. Okay, it is called code. Okay, and depends upon the usage or its method, we divide the code into different categories, types you can say. Okay, first let us see weighted code. Weighted code, it is not just like a physics, what is mass, what is weight. Okay, here it is a weight by positional value, just like in your decimal number, for example 8492. Okay, this is a decimal number. In decimal number, 2 is a unit place, and 9 is 10th place value, and 4 is 100, and this is 1000. Okay, and that is 10 power 0, 10 power 1, 10 power 2, 10 power 3. Okay, just like in binary also we have position value, and these are all the example for weighted codes. Okay, BCD, or BCD can be also called 8421 and 2421. These are all the examples of weighted code. And see here, this is the BCD number. Okay, it is 4 digit we have to write. Let us see in the next class what is BCD in detail. Here 000 is equal to 0. That means this is the BCD for 0, and this is for 1, this is for 2, this is for 3, and let us proceed like this. Okay, that means here this place value is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. Okay, therefore it is called weighted codes. Each number in this particular position has some weightage, which is represented by 2 power 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay, and next one is non-weighted codes. Here examples are XS3 code and gray code. Okay, it has no position value. Okay, here the example I have given XS3 code. This is the 0011 is the XS3 code for 0. Okay, decimal 0. This is the XS3 code, and here 1, decimal 1. This is the XS3 code. That means here this one and this one has no position value like this. Here we can say this is 0, 2 power 0, and this is 2 power 1, this is 2 power 1, just like we can say. But here we cannot say any position value. Therefore, it is called non-weighted code. And next one is sequential code. Sequential means again here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. It has some sequence. Then it is called sequential code. 8421 XS3 or sequential code. That means you can follow one. Here see 1 1. After that it belongs to 0. But if you compare with the binary, it will be 3. And here 4 and 5, 6, 7. Just like it will proceed. Every number has some sequence, regularity. And here next one is reflective code. It is also called self-complementary code. Reflective code or self-complementary code. Again, I have given the example for that. XS3 code is an example for reflective code. That means this is for 0, XS3 code, decimal 0, XS3 code. Okay, and 000011, and for 9, 1100. Okay, for 00011 and for 9, 1100. That means say these 2 0 are here 1 1, and these 2 1 are here 0. That means this is reflective. Okay, and 1 is reflected in 8. Just like each number has a reflection there. Therefore, it is called reflective code. XS3 code is an example for the reflective code. And alphanumeric code, ASCII code, and this one EBCDIC code. Both are example for ASCII code. And next one, error detecting code and error correction code also. Hamming code is the best example for this error detecting code. What is meant by error detecting code? That means you are sending some message or coded message through some cable wire. Okay. Then in the receiving end, okay, in transmission end you are sending some message. In receiving end, the same message should be received. But sometimes due to noise, okay, due to some error, okay, some 1 may be changing 0, 0 may be changing to 1. Therefore, at receiving end, we may get or we may receive some other data instead of what we have sent. And to detect the error, we are using some code. That code is called Hamming code. And we can correct that error also using this Hamming code. And which is the example, best example for error detecting code. In university exams, 3 mark or 4 mark, they will ask, what do you mean by code and what are all the types of codes. Okay. For that, you have to write this. First, you have to define what is that, simply explain. After that, you give some examples. Okay. Thank you. In next class, let us see individually gray code, XS3 code and the conversion, everything. Thank you.